So just to clarify things, let's say how you want to differentiate between your state and props. Uh, let's say that we have props being passed over here. How do you access it? You go over doing this props dot whatever the name that is being passed, right? So here, let's say I give it username. Okay, so username myself. Now here, if I go for typing username, okay, so if you see here, you're able to get things, right? Now, one differentiator was props are immutable, states are mutable. Now, if I try to change the value of username, will I be able to do it? So props dot username equals, I want to give my full name now. Okay, will this work? Let's see. So what does it say? Cannot assign read-only property username of object, right? So you cannot actually change the props. So that's why you tell them they are immutable. And whereas states, in the other hand, you can kind of change them using the dispatch function that they have to whatever it is. One more thing to note is, as of now, I have taken string here. Okay, in the state, you can have an empty thing, or you can have even a list over here, or even a JSON over here, even a number over here. So it can be anything. Okay. So in this example, I just showed you how do you go about changing a string. Okay, you can kind of experiment things by using other data types as well.